A variety of flowers can be utilized for children's educational fun learning. These flowers not only support engaging activities, but also enrich children's understanding of the natural world, including the parts of a flower, pollination, and the meanings associated with different blooms. Fun. Daffodil. The daffodil is a cheerful early bloomer, primarily found in spring. It symbolizes new beginnings and new life, making it an ideal flower for teaching children about growth and renewal. The parts of a daffodil include the calyx, corolla, stamens, and pistils, which can be introduced through hands-on activities like dissecting the flower. 2. Tulip tulips are widely appreciated for their vibrant colors and simple shape. They represent perfect love and are often associated with spring. Children can learn about the different varieties of tulips and create fun arts and crafts using their shapes and colors. Carnations are known for their frilled petals and variety of colors. They symbolize love and fascination and are commonly used in bouquets. Educators can incorporate these flowers into activities where children can explore their meanings through art and crafts, as well as study their structure. Roses are symbolic of love and beauty, making them a favorite in many cultures. The different colors of roses carry distinct meanings, such as red for love and pink for gratitude. Kids can engage in activities that allow them to learn and express these meanings, such as creating rose-themed cards.